Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be tasting the same like baked corn snacks. So last time they were really good. The texture, not so good. I don't really like rainbow drops, and that's what the texture was like. So, ew. Now I'm going to finish the packet. I ate half the packet last time, so. Go away. Yeah. No, because I'm doing a video. Now go away.
Look, this can go. I'm putting it on YouTube. Facebook.
Shut up.
Okay.
Brat.
Why? What are you doing? I'm telling you.
So, that texture was like rainbow drops and not very nice really, but I figured the flavour, salt and vinegar, and it said there, which I didn't even see, guys. So there's the end of that sentence, by the way. So salt and vinegar flavour. So I never even saw that, but anyway, I'm gonna go because my brothers and sisters are just bombarding the room. So there's no point in staying doing the video. So I'll upload another video to her, and I'll see you all guys later. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe on this channel and to two other channels. Mini Miranda Sings and Meg Squad. So thanks for everybody. Bye. Love you all. Mwah.